Hey, it's Anna with WTI. I don't get massages nearly as much as I need to, so this neck massager has been a absolute lifesaver for me. This is the AMZPONY Cordless Neck Massager, and it's basically like a spa that you can wear. I have a very physical job, so I am always dealing with tension in my neck and shoulders. So, this little gadget has been amazing for me. It's cordless and rechargeable, so no wires that are holding you to an outlet. You can bring this anywhere with you: couch, office, road trip, whatever. You can have the deep tissue massage nodes go in either direction, and I love the fact that this heats up. So it just adds a whole nother aspect to how enjoyable this massager is. And you can use it other places than your neck, all over your back, your legs, whatever you have that has that tension and stiffness in it, you are able to work that out with this massager. I love that this is able to give me such a good massage without leaving the house. It is 100% worth getting, and that's my point of view.